Hello students, in this video I'm going to explain one of the very important topics which is Ohm's law. Okay, try to understand these concepts. Ohm's law is very important. Okay, what Ohm's told, at constant temperature, potential difference across the ends of the wire is directly proportional to the current passing through it. Let's take a let's take one electrical conductor is there. Okay, you connect to a shell or a battery of V volt. Okay, so what he told, at constant temperature, at a constant temperature condition he gave him. The condition he put children, at constant temperature, V is directly proportional to I. It means if you give a more powerful cell, the current will be also more. It means when the current V increases, okay, current also increases. This is the meaning, children. So once you remove the proportionality in here, so you have to put a constant. That constant is R into I. So V is equal to IR is the expression for Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R is the expression for Ohm's law. Okay, here R is called as resistance of the conductor. Okay, or wire. R is what? A resistance of the wire. Is it clear? So from here R is equal to, you can write V by I. Assume children, when the electric potential is what? A potential difference is 1 ohm. Sorry, it is 1 volt. How much? 1 volt. If you are having 1 volt, and because of that 1 ampere current flows through this, then potential, then resistance become how much? 1 ohm. So SI unit of resistance is how much? What is the SI unit? SI unit is ohm. SI unit is ohm. Okay. We can explain this graph with Ohm's law with the help of a graph also. I'm just taking the one arbitrary reading, children. Okay, V, that is potential difference, and current. Okay, current is in ampere, potential difference is in volt, right now. So if you take suppose 5 volt, you're getting suppose 2 ampere. Okay, for 10 volt, you're getting 4 ampere. If 20 volt, 8 ampere. So you can plot this graph. Let's take this graph. This is the V versus I graph, children. I'm taking this as 5 volt, 10 volt, 15 volt, 20 volt here, 2 ampere, 4 ampere, 6 ampere, 8 ampere. Current is in ampere only, and potential difference is in volt only. So for 5 volt, how much is the reading? 2 ampere, right? 5 volt, 2 ampere. Here you can see. For 10 volt, 4 ampere. Let me see. For 20 volt, 8 ampere. For 20 volt, it is 8 ampere. You see from here. Okay. You see the straight line graph will be there. Okay. The graph will be straight line. Okay. So this is the Ohm's law and graph. Okay. See the slope. Okay. This is the actually reading of delta V, change in voltage and change in current. Okay. So this 1 by slope will give you what? A resistance from this graph. Okay, see, children, there is a demerit for Ohm's law, or limitations are there. Like it is not obeyed when the temperature is too high. Okay, and it is also not obeyed for non-ohmic devices like a semiconductor. So we can write limitations of Ohm's law. Okay, so what we can say, it is not applicable for non-ohmic devices. Non-ohmic like devices like a semiconductor. And second, it is not obeyed at high temperature. It is not obeyed at a very high temperature. Very high temperature. You can write once a statement also, children. Statement of Ohm's law, which I have not given. Okay. Okay, not given. So I'll just write the last because this statement is very, very important. Always they're asking in the exams, state Ohm's law. Ohm's law. This law states that this law states that at constant temperature, at constant, you can note it down, children. At constant temperature, the potential difference across the ends of the conductor, across the ends of the conductor is directly proportional to the current. Is directly proportional to the current passing through it. Current passing through it. Is clear? Please note it down. This is very important statement. Or also you can say that at constant temperature, current passing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. This statement is also correct. If you like this video, children, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel, children. Thank you.